Step inside a home where original charm meets curated design. Classic floors and moldings frame a rich mix of art, vintage furniture, and modern textures, each detail thoughtfully layered to tell a timeless story. This home project by Lawson exemplifies his refined, narrative-driven approach to interior design. The clients, a pair of native New York art collectors, chose Lawson for his ability to craft spaces that feel curated, lived in, and meaningful. They were drawn to his past work and entrusted him with redesigning their grand apartment on Central Park West. Lawson respected the apartment's original architectural elements, such as its elegant white oak herringbone floors, moldings, and trim. Rather than altering these features, he used them as a foundation, weaving in the couple's extensive art and furniture collections to tell a cohesive story. A major focus of the design was showcasing their treasured artwork, including a collection of photographs amassed over 40 years. The entry hall, for instance, was designed with a silvery grasscloth wall covering to highlight Man Ray photographs and a rare Charles Rennie Mackintosh bench. Throughout the apartment, Lawson employed a layered approach to materials and textures, creating a dialogue between old and new. He grounded the living room with a 1930s Portuguese needlepoint rug and complemented it with vintage French armchairs reupholstered in modern fabrics, curvy mohair-covered chairs, and embroidered plaid drapes. Custom and unique elements play a central role as well, such as a charred wood and bronze dining table and a Lawson-designed console that displays book art by Richard Minsky. Importantly, comfort and personal expression were guiding principles. The clients emphasized a desire for a welcoming, livable environment over a sterile or museum-like aesthetic. Lawson responded by reshaping the floor plan, expanding the kitchen, reconfiguring the family room, and adding a privacy wall, always keeping the couple's lifestyle and preferences at the forefront. His work ensured the space reflected who they are, both as individuals and as collectors, creating a home that feels assembled over a lifetime rather than designed all at once.